there. This is a review of this impressive grapple attachment that I purchased. It's made by a company in Georgia called MTL. And I was looking around for something that was really heavy duty, and this really fit the bill. I have used this now more than a year, and I have not had a single issue with it. You can see how shiny the tongs are, the teeth are, because I have lifted up giant rocks out of my fields in the mountains here. I have grabbed and moved around many, many trees, logs, you name it. This thing is really, really tough. When I purchased this, there were no videos available so I could see what it could really do. I called the company and spoke with the salesperson there, and I was going to purchase a smaller one of these. He asked me what kind of a tractor I have. I have a Kubota L6060. And he said, no, you don't want that. That's too much tractor for that. You need this size. You know, and I first thought, are they trying to oversell me or upsell me? But I purchased it, and he was absolutely right. This is the correct size for this size of a tractor. The 6060 has 66 horsepower. The width of this is ideal. The strength of this is impressive. And the other features, which I'm going to review in a second, are equally as impressive also. I've lowered the grapple and closed the jaws because this is where some of the important features start to be shown. Number one, look at this excellent steel protection over the cylinders. That is impressive. When you have exposed cylinders, they're at great risk of some of the things you're lifting or getting into, of hitting that, damaging those, and these are fantastic. Completely enclosed cylinders, very, very protective. Also, there are 3 grease fittings that are easily accessible, 1 here and 2 here for each of these jaws. They have a very nice angled cut here that can really, really grab things, and very strong 1/2 inch thick steel plates that this has been made out of. This is a quick attach that can also go onto a Bobcat skid steer or something like that, but it fits on the Kubota quick attach easily. You do need the additional hydraulic set, which I have for my 4-in-1 bucket, and they fit nicely on this. Standard hydraulic connections. I asked if they had this in orange, and they said no, but they put these little Kubota stickers on the side for me, which are kind of cute. So anyway, very happy with this. We'll demonstrate its use. MTL is the company. This is one of their Extreme series. Very capable. It's basically tolerated everything I've thrown at it. I haven't bent it. I haven't broken it. And it's been in some pretty serious situations where I've really put a lot of pressure and torque on it. So we'll take a look at it in a second and watch it go through its paces. Just to review, this is the quick attach set up for Kubota or for Bobcat or others. These levers securely attach this to these implements after they've captured under this angled iron here, and it's got a little bit it's got enough give so you've got a little bit of extra room in there to make attaching it much more easy. It's got a little bit of gap there to help you out to bring this together. Also notice the hydraulic fittings are protected by this step that is more useful for a Bobcat or a skid steer, and the hydraulic lines are not exposed. They run within these channels, as I said, and also to the cylinders right up here. So it's very well thought out, very well made, very heavy duty. completes the review of the MTL Extreme Grapple. It is a very heavy duty, very reasonably priced attachment that has served me very, very well. It has tremendous strength, agility. It can actually be very precise as well, which is neat. Digging out rocks, roots, moving logs, timber, supplies. This is a good one. It's become actually my favorite implement because it's so versatile. Again, quick attach to the Kubota or Bobcat or other quick attach systems, protected hydraulics, protected cylinders, excellent grease points. They're actually four per arm. 2 here, 1 at the end, and actually 1 here too, I forgot to mention. Easy to get to, well, properly lined up so you can get to the fitting easily. No complaints, just a good, solid piece of equipment that should serve you well for a long time. Consider this when you're looking in the market for a grapple. There are many other makes out there. This one, I thought the price was great. It's made in Georgia, United States. It's great. I'd recommend it completely. Thank you for your attention.